Hey yo guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here at Winners and let's check out what they have for this one. Let's go check on our bags here if we can find great finds. We have Steve Madden backpacks. Oh, and we have an MK bag for $170 from $229. Nice one, eh? This one, I don't know. Oh, a 9 West shoulder bag. Oh, I like this one. This is $30. It's bagly. I don't know. And a Calvin Klein shoulder bag. A DKNY for $100. This is a cute one. Oh, we find Kate Spade here. Look at that. A black Kate Spade for $229. What else do they got here? I wonder what is this. This one is a nice accessory. Another Gasp handbag. Same Kate Spade. There are lots of... Let's do the wallet. Steve Madden. The Juicy Couture. Oh, I like this bag. Green bag for $19. This is cute. So we have these cute purses here. Steve Madden bag. Another Kate Spade. And we have a smaller one for $179. A Guess bag. This is cute. Nice design. Oh, and I found a Guess backpack for $79. I love the design. What's this? Oh, a Calvin Klein for $75. Steve Madden. A Juicy Couture backpack. Brown. Oh, I found the long jump for $119. Got the Guess bag. Red one for $79. Steve Madden. A Chanel inspired bag. Oh, I think this is a Guess one. Yeah, Guess bag for $69. This is cute, eh? Another Guess bag. Look at this. Some accessories. This is cute. Oh, this is clip. How much for this? $24.99. Cute clips. Some backpacks for back to school. Some hair products. This is a shampoo. $29. Let's go to the cosmetics. So we are here at the clearance sale. We have some BH Cosmetics. Some nails here. Some brushes. For $5. Okay. Oh, it's NYX brush. Another NYX. So they have some brushes here, a few brushes from Japanese. And here we'll find some lipstick from L'Oreal, Revlon. Oh, and they have lots of MAC products, a dangerous shade. This is the shade for $9.99, and a brown mocha for a mocha shade for $9.99. Black liner. What's this? Blue lash adhesive. Let's go down here. This is a mascara from Marcel. Some Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, highlighter. Oh, we got NARS here. This is a pack of 3 with a blush, a lip gloss, a brush for $24.99. And we have some Glamnetic Hello Kitty and Friends. It's a pack for $19.99. We have the red, the purple, and the pink. You don't have much of the eyeshadows. Got this Cara Beauty Profusion. This one's from Rude Cosmetics. This is from Profusion. Of Trophic NYX eyeshadows. I think it's Sephora. This is the shade for $9.99. This was from Beauty Concept Butterfly. These are the shades for $9.99. Oh, they've got a Morphe Mickey and Friends for $24.99. And Too Faced Natural Matte eyeshadow for $24.99. Some Couture and Rivera palette for $29.99. An eyeshadow from Sephora. Lots of eyelashes from Profusion, Pro Beauty, and Ardell. This is a nice one. Belle of the Ball for $9.99. We are here at the mascara section from Cream With Me. This is for $5.99. I'm in London. Revlon. Bro. This one is cute. I think this, oh yeah, Magic Liner. From Cara Beauty. This one, Matte Liquid Liner. This is a blue eyeliner and removal. 2-in-1. But the Profusion Super Fine. Oh yeah. This is for $5.99. And lots of lashes from Cara Beauty eyelashes, Ardell, Pro Beauty. And this one is the perfect lashes for $9.99. Oh, I found another Sephora one. This is for, I think, $4.99. We'll have eyelash remover, and this one is the eyelash adhesive for $4.99. We are here at the perfume section. We have some Ariana Grande perfume, Jennifer Lopez, Ariana Grande. We have a Nicki Minaj, another Ariana Grande for $9.99. Oh, this one is a Guess perfume for $9.99. This smells good. Love. This one's $9.99. Skincares. This is a Shake and Shot Dr. Jart. I think it's a face mask for $7.99. We have an e.l.f. Gentle Peeling Exfoliant for $7.99. Oh, another Innisfree facial cream. This is full. They have no price. We have some Bolsha Rice Water Mist. Retinol Serum. I have this at home and I still have more. Just a facial cleansers. Nothing much today in the store. So facial cleansers here.